Yeah. I don't know the words. I really forgot them. Wow, I've never performed this before. What? Wow, you know the words. I love you, man. All you had to say was all, but I love you. All right, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. All my life I've been searching for a superhero, someone to see through my flaws and catch me when I fall. Even 1,000 men can't hold me down like you do, but baby, you do hold me well. No cape, but them glasses kinda cute. I got X-ray vision too. Yeah, but I ain't worried about that, dude. It's all about you. Who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. Who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. All my life I've been this damsel in distress. I'm sick of this mess. You sick of it? 'Cause I'm sick of this mess. Yeah. My face to the pavement. I guess this is my payment for showing you some love. Yeah. Oh, oh. I open my eyes to a new world. No lies or ties with a new girl in a new city, even if she's kinda pretty. When I call, you come running, and I don't have to go out hunting, looking for someone who can take a risk on a brand new wife and maybe 2 kids. Oh, who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. Who said superheroes aren't real? 'Cause it makes me feel so real. I do. Oh, your love so real. The capes, the drapes, the curtains, I'm hurting no longer when I'm with you. 'Cause you're my superhero, boo. Yeah, so that's Superheroes. I love that song. I hope you guys enjoyed my set. And I had a great time singing for you guys. You guys are great. You guys are jazzing, you're snazzy. And I hope you guys, get a chance to go out, listen to my music. I am on all streaming platforms. And I am Velvet K. Thank you. Woo! Woo! Mr. Tolbert! Can we get some claps for Mr. Tolbert for playing piano? Yes, Mr. Tolbert. Yes. He's great. I really wanted him to play sax, because y'all, him on saxophone? You ain't never seen somebody play sax like that, okay? It's real sexy. Okay, I'm done with the corny jokes. Okay.
All right, give it up for Velvet K. Yes, yeah.